All right, let's take a look at lesson 6, part 1. Starts out with a video, and you can check out the link here in code.org or use the link that I've attached in the tutorial. Let's get rolling. Go get scrap metal BB-8. Use 5 of the same blocks to get scrap metal. Scrap metal glows like this. Use 5 blocks. So we're going to, if this is BB-8, I guess the antenna's in the back. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just have to go forward. So I'm going to drag those over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it says. Use 5 of the blocks. That's it. On to lesson 3. What do you think will happen when you click run? A, BB-8 will not move. B, BB-8 will move only once, or one space. C, BB-8 will move 5 times to get all the scrap metal. Or D, I don't know. Try the multiple choice question and then click continue. I picked C. What did you pick? You notice we got a repeat loop, and that says 5 in there. It says move forward 5 times. On to lesson 4. All right, another video. Pause it and have a look. Okay, lesson 6, dot number 5. Go BB-8. To get all the scrap metal, try creating a loop that uses only one block inside of a repeat block, so just one loop. So I'm thinking we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks just like that multiple choice question. When run. Okay, that's what worked. So notice you just use that pink repeat block to have it do the same thing. You might be able to put more blocks inside of it. So let's keep going. Lesson 6, section 6. In this puzzle, 2 repeat loops will help you get BB-8 to all the scrap metal with the fewest number of blocks. So we're going to need 2 repeat blocks. Okay, so we need 2 repeat blocks. So there's one block and there's another one. And I'm just going to drag them over because they said to use 2 repeat blocks. So we're going to need to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to drag this over and say go forward 4 times. And then in order to go down, I'm going to be facing to the right. So I'm going to turn right to face down. And I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to say turn to the right in between. Don't turn left. Try it yourself. Hopefully it works. Okay, here we go. What else can we do in lesson 7? You give it a try. I'll show you the answer after you click play again. So press pause. What did you come up with? This is what I'm trying. Forward, right, repeat 5 times, move forward. So remember, when you have to imagine that you're standing in BB-8's shoes to decide which direction to turn. Mine worked. I hope yours did too. Notice that they only give you a certain number of blocks as we're learning how to use repeat loops. Lesson 6, section 8. Loops even work with more than one block inside. Can you loop the sequence? Forward, 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 right. Forward, 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 turn. Forward, 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 turn. Forward, forward, forward. It wouldn't matter if we turned, so I'm just going to do this whole entire block 3 times. Try it for yourself. At this point, it starts to get a little bit trickier. Hopefully you understand how repeat blocks work. So go ahead and pause the video and try it yourself, and then I'll just come on with the answer. Now I worked with some students in class on this section, talking about laying out all of the steps without using any repeat loops when you're not sure what to do. So if you just try to make the walking path work without any repeat loops and see if you get there, then it's a good time to go back and look for a pattern. So I laid it out where this will work, and you can see there's no repeat blocks at all. So now I just have to, it says you completed the puzzle, however, you could have used only 6 blocks. So I'm going to try to do that. And I'm going to look to see what repeats I can see. So I've got forward, right, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, right, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, right, forward. It wouldn't matter if I went forward again. So let's see, right, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, and then I repeat myself. So if I take right, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, right, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, that would be twice. Could do it a third time. Let's see what happens. So it still worked. It's just that I have too many blocks still. So just keep trying until you can figure out how many blocks you need. So there's only 6 if you can. If not, you can move on. So the trick is here not to try to get them as they're necessarily laid out, but to see a pattern that you could walk to get them. So if she goes here, 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 like stairs, 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 then you'll make it all the way and you could do it in one loop. So if you go forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, forward, right, forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left. And it's just like stairs. I will admit, this did take me a while to figure out, so don't get frustrated if you don't get it right away. Sometimes it just takes some experimenting to get it to work. So at this point, I think you are getting the hang of repeat loops. You can keep going in lesson 6 if you're enjoying this and want to keep practicing, but I'm going to stop with the tutorials for now. Good luck coding.